Hi there, it's Angie Zimmerman, the Flower Diva. Today what I'm showing you how to make over on the flowerarranging101.tv site is this darling little centerpiece. It's so small that I think this is perfect for a little bathroom, a little nightstand next to a bed. Could be nice for a small hospital room. It could be used as a little desk accessory, something to cheer you up when you're working, and whatever else you can think of. It's just it is a smaller size, but it's still lovely, and if you like flowers, you're going to love it no matter what size it is. I actually have a friend whose mom is in a rehabilitation hospital right now, and this is going to be a perfect little gift for her. So please sign up, and once you sign up, you have access to each video that I do in a month. That's 8, and you can watch the entire thing. You can download it. You can watch it as often as you want. Enjoy. flowerarranging101.tv.